Damn, she's sexy. Damn, Wheelies is sexy. What is going on, nieces and nephews? It is your boy Stunts, and we are in a seat stander? What is going on? You guys might be confused. I made a massive breakthrough last weekend, and all of the footage corrupted. There was no audio whatsoever. So, you missed all that footage. But we're kind of nasty now. And hopefully, today, we can get some good content. We do have a surprise guest or two coming in from a little outside of our local area. We've got Mr. Eric Trimmer. Insert some clips here. We're gonna put some work in today, get her done, get some good clips of some good people, and I'll show you some of the stuff that I learned last weekend as well. You know, going from sit down, jumping straight back to double back pegger. And then really working on slowing this down. So that was pretty cool. I learned that sit down, jump to double back pegger, and then pop it right up and do one more. Right at the balance point, there's Dan. Dipping it back a little bit. There we go. So that's one thing we learned. We learned that. We also learned the seat standards that we did on the intro there that y'all saw. We got the love of my life over there today. Being chillin'. Yeah, so I will tune back in with y'all here in a little bit when we got something worth seeing. I'm gonna keep warming up, and hopefully all this footage isn't corrupted again. So, we'll catch ya later. All right, it ain't been long, but I just tried something for the first time. We did that little sit down jumping up the seat stander, so we're gonna practice that for a minute. Can you record this really quick? Watch this, Daniel. That feels cool. It's kind of sketchy getting the foot right in the right spot right away. That's Trimmer. Eric. So it stays like this, where I can come out here, and we're coming up on 1 year of stunning now, right? It stays like this, where I just can't even like fathom how far we've come, right? Like, I mean, like I said, last February is when we bought that Grom. Now we're sitting out here feeling confident enough to wheelie a big bike in front of Eric Trimmer. That's pretty sick, no? We made it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, if you would have shown me a video of me doing that, sit down jumping up the seat stander like that, throwing it back on a big boy motorcycle, zero shot I would have believed you that it was a year ago. Just feels cool to know that hard work really like has paid off. I've tried to get good at quite a few things in my life, and this is one of those things where I thought that I would never be able to do, just because it just seemed so outlandishly impossible. You know, watching Ryan 636 and guys like Fooligan and stuff growing up, like, you never think that like you could do that too until you really put your nose down to it. And I mean, within a year, the amount of progress is crazy. So I just wanted to have like a little heart-to-heart with y'all. I don't do that very often, but I don't know, I'm kind of stoked. on the progress, especially last weekend. Last weekend really opened up my eyes. Give me a little head shake. Just really opened up my eyes to how far we have come and how crazy it is. Let's talk to this boy really quick. Anyways, now that we had a little heart-to-heart together and we chatted about how much progress we've made and how excited we are to be where we're at. We just focus on riding. Like I said, we got a bunch of people coming out. Obviously, you tell the gang Eric Trimmer's coming and everybody's gonna come. Oh. Alrighty. I'll around. I got some sit down to double back pegger work on the big bike. There we go. That was an example. That was my smoothest one yet. Knocked it out of the park. A little more sketchy, but we got there at the end. I want to be able to go from double back pegger to seat stander or vice versa. Learning every day, that's what makes it fun. That's kind of it. I got two seat stander. We were way below balance point. Post-production here, anytime going down this way, if you look at the shadow, you can sort of see what I'm doing. I tried to show only clips of that side for the future, just so you can actually see what I was doing. But learning how to dance on this thing. We're dancing on this thing, man. That's Ryan. He's cool. He was here the day that I looped the Grom. Insert clip. I know you guys have seen that clip 1,000 times. I wish that I was rolling the GoPro, but we weren't. That's life. Aaron about to kill us. He didn't look all that happy. Oh, lordy. We're good. We good, twin? All right, we're gonna jump to seat, or to double back pegger. Then we're gonna transfer down to seat stander, or up to seat stander. That worked. We did it. Kashiba. Hey. Oh God. Step, 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 step. Dancing on that thing. Feet off, so we're gonna maybe get them foot drags one day. We're stepping around back there now. We're getting her down. Getting used to it. La di da di da. Yep, we are following Trimmer to the burnout lot. Sit here and watch for a minute. That's why I came. All right, we learned something new again. We're going jump up the seat stander, 1 foot in the hole, sort of leaving that little thing out, grumping and stomping. I don't even know what that means. Feels sketchy as hell. I don't know if you can even tell what my feet are doing back there, but one of them's hanging off. I'm not comfortable enough to look down yet and show you, but I promise it's hanging. Blah, 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 blue, 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 blue. Oh, trimmer's out. Doing some circles. I can pretty much do that. Not even close. I am not our trimmer. Should be a cool little picture. All right, nieces and nephews, this is probably gonna be it for me. I'm getting pretty tired. However, I hope y'all have enjoyed the video. Like I said, we got Trimmer out here. I didn't get too much footage of him. However, there he is, looking dope like always. But anyways, hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe. We're out here grinding, much better than we used to be. With that being said, nieces and nephews, I'll catch you next time.
Subscribe to my channel.